Hello, pandas. Today we're going to be learning about lists. The list. Okay, so I get that I have a very beautiful angelic voice and I could be Beyonce, but I'm not. Okay. So in lists there's going to be two videos, part 1 and part 2. And before I say anything, I never mentioned this, but you have to like and subscribe or else. Now we're going to be talking about lists. So as you can see here, there's two lists, list 1 and list 2. They both are a list, and a list is a variable, so they basically have to start with a letter. Now, what I was saying is there's one thing different. One contains integers, the one contains variables. Strings. What am I saying? Strings. One contain, and that's both of them they can contain. As you see, lists are a sequence of elements/items, basically same thing. And yeah, to access an individual element from the list, you would use its index. An index is basically like something you call it by. Let's say the first element in a list, you would let's say, in list 2, the first element is apple, right? Let's say apple, you somehow name your snacks, like you have an apple for lunch and you're like, ooh, let's name my apple. Let's name it 0, because it's the first element in our list. Every first element in any list is going to be, the index is going to be 0, no matter what it is. So, orange would be 1, grape would be 2, and strawberry would be 3. To find the index of the last element, you would take the number of elements in the list, which is 4 in list 2, and you would minus it by 1. You would subtract 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And we can see that strawberry index is 3. Apple is 0, orange is 1, grapes is 2, strawberry is 3. Now here are a few examples. There's two things like this. In here it shows this. If there are n elements in a list, the index is element minus 1. The number of n minus 1. Okay. Now let's create an empty list. So what we would do is we create, let's say list 1 we want to create. In there we put nothing. We use the box things, like the box parentheses, because that's what you use in a list. You can't use anything else somehow. And now let's print list 1. Let's print it. And you get the box things because it's there. Because that's the only thing there. Now we've created an empty list. Let's make a list 2. Let's make a list 2. Make a list 2. Okay, you get what I'm saying. You can use list 1, but I just don't love to. I'll just use list 2. I don't know why. And now in list 2, let's put the numbers 10, 4, 20, and 7. Okay? And now let's print list 2. We should get 10, 4, 20, and 7. See? We get 10, 4, 20, and 7. Now let's add a new element. How we would add a new element is there's something called append. If you know, append means add. So we would do list 2. Whatever is the name of your list, list 2 is the name of our list. So, and then you do dot append. Now, after you write append, you would put what you want to add. So let's add 14 randomly. Let's just add 14, okay? And now if we print list 2, wait, 1 second. Wait, sorry. Yeah. Now if we print list 2, we would get 10, 4, 20, and 7. Wait, 10, 4, 27, and 14. See? But you want to know what happened here? I will tell you, okay? So there are 2 14s because I just wanted to run it. Like, I ran this code without telling you. I'm mischievous. Okay? I ran this code, but I didn't print it. I wanted just to see something, and so then I said, let's run this again, and let's print list 2. And then we got 2 14s. For the people who don't understand, so let's say we start a list 2 and append and 14, and I run the code. I don't print the thing, but I just run it and I say add 14. It adds 14 in the list, but it doesn't show us that it adds 14. Then we go to print, then I run it again, and in here, it runs it again, that code, list 2, append 14, and it will give me 2 14s because I ran the thing 2 times. I shouldn't have, but I did, so I'm sad. Okay, so what if we want to add an element at the start of the list? Well, you can't use append because it would only work at the start of the list. Append would only add at the end of the list. Insert, however, you use insert the same way list 2, but you put insert, so. And list 2, insert, however, it can put it anywhere in the list. You just give it one second, my mind blanked out. I had a brain fart. You would put the index you want it to be at. So I want to insert, let's say I want to insert, wait, let me think. I'm thinking. Okay, let's just insert 5. No one cares on you. No one cares. List 2, insert 5. Yeah. But where do we want to insert 5? We want, wait, 5 isn't, I'm so confused. Okay. Let's say we want to add it at the first spot. And then, so you would put the index and then comma, you would put the index, comma, what you want to put. So I want to put, let's say, I want to put 8. Okay? And then if we run this, let's first put print so I don't become silly. Ooh. Control enter. And you see there's an 8 at the beginning and I've done it again, okay? Now we don't want 2 8s, so let's just delete this the next time we run this, but now, okay. Now I have a pop quiz. I want you guys to pause this video and add f at the third index. Remember what we did in the beginning, like in the other one we did. So I would like you to pause this video. Now, assuming that you have paused this video, which I hope you did, you have found the answer. And I'm gonna write something, and if you don't have what I wrote, it's fine. Mistakes are made sometimes. Or maybe I can make a mistake, which I could, but I'm pretty sure I didn't. So you would put list 2 dot insert f. So like insert at the third index f. And so if now we print the list dot 2, list 2, what am I saying? Okay, if we print list 2, we should have f at the third index. See, if we see S is at the third index. Now let's remove the last element. Yay, we gotta remove the extra 14. So let's remove the extra 14. So how we would do that is there's something called pop. Pop removes anything. Like, you know, popcorn, how it pops. Get it? Yeah. If you didn't, it's fine. I have cheesy jokes, okay? List.pop, like, so you would do it the same way. So list2.pop. And you would put nothing. You would put nothing as the index because a pop automatically, it takes out the last thing. So you don't need to put anything there. And then after, if we run this, print list2, we run this, there will be no 14 there. But let's not run this again and remove the next 14. Now we want to remove the first element, that 8 we put there. So let's remove the first element. And how do you do that? But in this one, you have to put the index. It's not like there's another thing, like in insert, you would, like in append and insert, there's two different things. One to remove a certain thing and one to remove the last one. And so, but in here, it's just pop. There's only pop. So list2.pop. And you would put 0 because that's the first index of everything. So if we run this, print list2, we will have no 8. See? Now, for the next thing, let's remove a specific element from the list. We would use, again, pop. And so let's remove F because it's sort of oddball there, and you know, it's a letter and everything else a number. You get it? Okay. So now if I do list.to, sorry, I'm so silly. Dot pop, and then you would put F. So F is at the third index. And so we would put 3 there. And then now if we print this, wait, 1 second. I have to teach you guys something. I shouldn't be rude. I want to teach you guys something. You know this one, but do you know another thing? Something called remove. Remove, let's say I'm so like, not silly, but like, let's say I don't know what F's index was, and I didn't know that it was 3, and I'm like, oh no, I'm doomed. Oh no, okay, well, you don't need to do that, because what we do is there's something called there's something called remove. So we do the same thing like all the others, list2.remove instead. And there, you would put the thing you want to remove. So we want to remove F, and there you have it, folks. Now if you print list2, there is no F. See? This is so cool and so necessary. Stay tuned for part 2 of lists. There's still more, I know.